Rigatoni alla marinara with Espinaler mussels, clams and baby squid. Finely chop the onion and garlic. In a casserole dish with a drizzle of hot olive oil, sear the red prawns briefly, then remove and set aside. Sauté the onion until golden, then add the garlic. Add the cherry tomatoes halved, along with the paprika. Stir well and pour in a generous splash of white wine. After a couple of minutes, add the fried tomato sauce. Stir everything together, pour in the fish stock and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. Adjust seasoning with salt if needed. Meanwhile, add a couple of ladles of pasta cooking water, followed by the drained rigatoni. Finally, add the prawns, baby squid, mussels and clams from Espinaler. Garnish with chopped parsley and enjoy!